Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're revealing the must-have car gadgets you probably didn't even know you needed. From tech upgrades to safety essentials, these gadgets will take your driving experience to the next level. So, if you want to make your ride smoother, safer, and a lot more fun, make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Let's dive right in. This ultra-magnetic car phone holder is designed for MagSafe compatible devices, offering a secure and stable mount. With a strong magnet that can hold up to an iPhone 15 Pro Max, it ensures your phone stays in place even on bumpy roads. The holder features a rotating arm for customizable viewing angles, making it easy to adjust your phone for optimal convenience. It includes a nano 3M adhesive that provides a stable hold, even in extreme temperatures. This durable, sleek mount is perfect for any vehicle, offering a safe, hands-free solution for phone usage while driving. Say goodbye to streaky windows with the ASTROAI windshield cleaner. This car cleaning tool features a detachable handle for easy storage and comes with 4 microfiber pads and a 60 milliliter spray bottle. The extra long extendable handle and pivoting head make it simple to clean hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for cleaning both the interior and exterior of windows, removing moisture and fog without leaving streaks or lint behind. The durable microfiber pads absorb water efficiently, while the built-in safety hammer adds an emergency feature, ideal for all cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. This car air freshener combines creativity and functionality with its unique teddy bear pilot design, featuring retro aircraft elements. The rotating fan blades, inspired by propeller-driven airplanes, gently spin when your car's air vents are on, speeding up the diffusion of aromas. Made with essential oil fragrance tablets, it offers a safe, long-lasting scent, available in cologne and ocean fragrances to purify the air and eliminate unwanted odors. Easy to install with a silicone clip, this air freshener fits all car vents without causing damage. It's perfect for both cars and home use, providing a fun and aromatic experience. Keep your baby safe and visible with the DOHONEST baby car camera, offering HD 1080 pixel clarity and a 150 degrees wide-angle view. Featuring crystal clear night vision with auto switching, it ensures continuous monitoring, even in low light. The camera is fully adjustable with 360 degrees rotation, allowing easy customization for any car seat. Its 4.3-inch display offers clear, distraction-free viewing. Quick to install without tools, this camera provides peace of mind by keeping your focus on the road while monitoring your child's safety. Durable, easy to use, and highly rated by parents, it's a must-have for family car trips. The LISEN retractable car charger is a compact and powerful device designed to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With a 69 watts total output, it features dual USB ports, a PD 30 watts USB-C port, and a USB-A port. The retractable cord extends up to 31.5 inches, and the plug adjusts 180 degrees, providing flexibility for secure charging in various vehicle setups. Compatible with iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12, as well as USB-C devices, this charger is perfect for keeping all your gadgets powered while on the road. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for tight spaces, such as work trucks and personal vehicles. Transform your car's trunk into a neatly organized space with the DEOSK car trunk organizer. Crafted from 600D waterproof polyester, this organizer offers 50 liters of storage capacity to keep your items in order. With dimensions of 22 inches by 12.5 inches by 10.75 inches, it's spacious enough for everyday essentials. The three-dimensional design ensures durability, while the waterproof and dirt-resistant material makes it easy to clean. This versatile organizer is ideal for cars, SUVs, trucks, and even home or office use to store books, clothes, and tools. The smart wireless parking sensor is a hands-free, 100% wireless solution designed to make parking easier. It attaches to your vehicle's license plate frame and connects to your mobile device through a dedicated app for iOS and Android. This smart sensor provides instant proximity alerts without any wires or professional installation, making it a cost-effective alternative to backup cameras. The system is weather-resistant and includes a 1-year warranty, batteries, a smartphone mount, and an anti-theft security screw kit. With Bluetooth 4.1 and a 5-month battery life, it offers low maintenance and adds great connected car features to your vehicle. The BATOCA Dual Action Polisher is a powerful, versatile tool designed for car detailing. It features a 700 watts motor and a 6-inch random orbital pad that effectively polishes, buffs, and sands vehicles. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 1,000 to 3,800 oscillations per minute, it provides flexibility for various applications, from waxing to removing paint defects. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the included accessories, such as foam pads, wool pads, and microfiber towels, make it a complete kit for any car enthusiast. Ideal for beginners, this polisher ensures a high-quality finish without damaging paint. Cool down in no time with the XOOL electric car fans, designed for ultimate comfort in your vehicle. Featuring 2 360-degree rotatable fan heads, this 12-volt fan quickly cools down hot air from parked cars and ensures a breeze even when your air conditioner is weak. With stepless speed regulation, it offers customized airflow for comfort. Perfect for removing moisture, reducing smoke, and eliminating pet odors, this fan keeps your car environment fresh. Its 5.87-foot cord fits most vehicles, and it makes an excellent gift for car owners seeking an efficient, space-saving fan. This phone holder is designed to enhance your driving experience with a sleek and luxurious look. Featuring the innovative smart clamp technology, this car phone mount offers universal compatibility and allows you to easily place and remove your phone with one hand. It ensures a secure fit without awkward buttons or magnets, making it suitable for phones up to 7 inches, even with thick cases. The upgraded suction cup sticks firmly to smooth and leather dashboards for easy installation. With a 360-degree rotation and adjustable arm, it provides convenient viewing without blocking charging ports. It's backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Wrapping up our list is the dual-lens endoscope camera, designed for flexible and robust inspections. It comes with a 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable and a waterproof camera, ensuring reliable performance in diverse conditions. It features a 5-inch IPS display that provides clear 1080-pixel HD resolution for real-time viewing. Equipped with dual lenses, the camera offers versatile perspectives for hard-to-reach areas with a one-click lens switch. Ideal for plumbing, automotive, and home inspection tasks, it includes LED lights for visibility in dark environments. The camera comes with accessories like a magnet and hook for retrieving dropped items. With a rechargeable battery and user-friendly controls, it's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Goodbye for now, but don't forget to hit that like button if you discovered something new. Which car gadget blew your mind today? Let us know in the comments below. Want more must-have tech for your ride? Subscribe and turn on the bell to stay updated on all the latest gadgets. See you in the next video.